Local farms are feeling the impacts of the blizzard. Planting season could be in jeopardy. NBC 10's Martha Constantinidis caught up with a farmer in Warren to see the damage.
Local farmers are trying to recover after the blizzard. Owner of Long Lane Farms tells me the storm damaged a number of greenhouses, including this one, which was a total loss.
A big hit in the start of our season, right when we were getting ready to go plant.
At Long Lane Farm in Warren, owner Camille Abdel Nabi says the snow proved to be too much for 3 out of the 4 of the farm's greenhouses. After seeing one of the structures collapse due to the heavy snow accumulation on its roof, Camille said she had to do something.
Basically take a knife at the end of a stick, cut holes every 4 feet, and then push the snow off. But it was also caving in on me.
The remaining 200-foot structures will need repairs costing about $60,000, which doesn't account for crop loss, estimated to be around $20,000 to $30,000 on top.
It'd be tens of thousands of dollars as well, just not being able to plant what we had planned.
And fewer crops means less to sell.
Lettuce and spinach and carrots, so probably won't be getting any of those in, and our farm stand will just have to open a little bit later.
Camille says many local farmers are in the same position as her, but for now the focus is planning ahead to avoid a situation like this again.
And the 2 damaged tunnels were supposed to be full of almost 800 tomato plants, so now it's figuring out, can those go anywhere else?
A GoFundMe for Long Lane Farms has already raised $18,000 in just a matter of days. Camille says she's grateful for the outpouring of support and encourages folks to get out there and support your local farmers a little extra this year. In Warren, Martha Constantinidis, NBC 10 News.